KJ's Kitchen. 504 is on fire, baby.
Welcome back to KJ's Kitchen 504. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see my future videos. Today we're going to make teriyaki chicken. So let's get to it. Alright y'all, we're going to start off with the sauce. So we're going to combine cornstarch. We have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We have 1 cup of water. So whisk this together right here. Once we whisk this, make sure all the chunks come out of it and everything. And everything else, we're going to take the minced garlic. We have 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic. Throw that in there first in the pot. Make sure you have your pot on. Alright, y'all, we're going to take 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Throw that in there. To have ginger. Throw that in there. 1 tablespoon of ginger. Make sure you get all that out. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Oops, just now with a little sesame seed oil, try to get a little bit more. All right, got 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. Put that in there. Got 1/3 cup of soy sauce. I use low sodium. You can use regular, it doesn't matter. And you gotta put a little honey in there, so we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of honey. All right, now we're gonna add the whisked cornstarch and water that we were whisking on the side. So add that onto it. We'll let this cook. We want it to get thick and dark brown, so let's just wait for that. Oh yeah, make sure you mix it too while you're doing it. Because since you put the cornstarch in it, you know it's going to get thick and get clunky. You don't want that. So just make sure you keep whisking it every so often. Then we get right back to it. Let's get on to this chicken right quick. Let this cook a little bit. I'm going to get over to this chicken. Kind of season this chicken up a little bit. Alright, let's do this right quick. Get this out the way. Alright, let's season it with a little pepper, a little garlic powder. Alright. Yeah, put a little love in it, you know what I'm saying? You don't want it bland and everything, so you put a little dance in it, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's do this. We'll put a teaspoon of garlic powder, a little black pepper, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Kind of mix it together a little bit. Mix it, and you want to put like a little half a teaspoon of oil. Kind of mix it, a little half teaspoon of oil in. We'll mix it together. So we'll put it on our. I got a wok. You could use a skillet. Doesn't matter. Use a wok. Because once the sauce is infused with this chicken thigh. That's what you use chicken thigh. You use chicken breast, The chicken thigh is a more juicier, tenderer meat. So you can use either one, but I prefer the chicken thigh. Alright. Let this. We'll set this to the side right quick.
So am I.
Alright, y'all, look. Now we're gonna, you have the chicken, got the wok right here. Put a little oil in there. So it won't stick. Alright. Now it should be hot. Make sure y'all wok is hot, or y'all's pot is hot. Kind of break it up a little bit. So to make sure your chicken is not stuck together, make sure it cook all the way through. And when you know raw chicken, you know what I'm saying, get coli. Alright. I kind of trimmed it a little bit, but I kept a little fat on it. Because you want it to be, you know, fat got a little juice in it too. Alright. I'm gonna let this cook. Kind of have your stove on medium. You don't want it to burn, but you want it to cook too. So now you kind of let it put a little bit away. Now, if it sticks to the pot a little bit, you want to put a little more oil in it so it won't stick. All right. So let that cook a little bit, cook down. Make sure all your pieces are cooking, not on top of each other. Alright. Now look at the chicken. See the chicken? Got it all cooked up and everything. So we'll keep the fire on medium. And now we're going to add the vegetables, the carrots. So I put like a little bit of carrots. Whatever measurement you want of carrots, bell pepper, and it's your discretion. So put bell peppers, green bell peppers. That's why I'm not giving you the measurements, because you can do whatever you want. And you put a little mushrooms. So we'll kind of toss this around a little bit. It smells good in the sauce, and you can add it with it. So, you know what I'm talking about? Oh, y'all make sure, y'all watching this channel, y'all new to this channel, make sure that you hit that like and that subscribe and share it and tell your friends about it. Come over to KJ's Kitchen. We're always open, you know, we won't have no limit of seating. So, so you do that, and you know, I've been doing a lot with this wok, so you can check my old videos for the new people. Check my old videos, and you know, I've been, you know, handling up on this wok and everything. So now we're gonna add the sauce we had cooling down on the side. So we're gonna add that to it. Add that to it right there. Kind of mix that in. Nice teriyaki, baby. Trying to get all that. I don't want none of it. I don't miss none of it. Alright. Oh. That little sticky situation. Alright, now we're gonna do this. Mix it up in there. Let this cook around a little bit. I'll see you in a couple of minutes. All right, let's do this. Finish. We go to finish. Delicious entree. Look at it, y'all.